Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add checkboxes in a PandaDoc document. All right. So you can see here, I have here my sample PDF. Now to add a checkbox, it is actually pretty easy. Say, for example, I'm going to find maybe this area right here. Now, just go ahead over to the top right and click on the plus sign that says content. Okay. Just click on it. Now at the bottom, we have checkbox. Okay. So you can see here, we have a ton of options. So just go ahead and find checkbox. Now drag and drop it. Okay. Like so. Another one, maybe like that. And then just go ahead and add in a text. Okay. Explain what these tick boxes or checkboxes are all about. Okay. Are all signed. Just like that. Just for example. And as you can see here, or as you might have noticed, we have these colors. Okay. For example, we have 3 signers right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and add in more checkbox. And maybe I'm going to change this one to done signing. Okay. Now, as you can see, we have this color that matches the contact or recipient color. Okay. So whenever, for example, Mr. Money YT right here ticks on one tick box, all of these will be ticked. Okay. So you would need to assign all these tick boxes right here to different recipients. For example, first tick box, orange, Mr. Dropbox right here. Click on it and click on this name and then click on the correct recipient. Okay. Second one, which is correct. And the last one is me. Click on it again and choose the color. That's basically it. That's the proper way to add checkboxes here in PandaDoc. You could also create condition rules right here. For example, just click on it and click on the condition icon. Okay. Like when checkbox 3 is checked, then show these fields or whatever it is. Okay. Just to play around with this setting. And once done, just save the rule. All right. And that is it. And that's how you add checkboxes here in PandaDoc. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.